Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Sales with Jay and Ron.
Yep, we're turning script readers into pro salespeople.
Boom.
There it is.
All right, guys, let's get started. So today we're going to be talking about how to get off-market properties for free.
First thing you want to do, get in your car, right? Let's say you want to start in your backyard or in your neighborhood. Get in your car, whether you want to use a voice recorder, right? Most phones have that, and literally drive around looking for properties that look like they need work. That's the best thing you can do to start.
Yeah, and to even make it more simple, guys, need work. Like, oh, what are you guys thinking that means? If you see a lawn that has overgrown grass, or you see a roof that has some stains on it that could be leaking or just a roof issue, if you see that the property has a lot of mail and no one's been coming out to get it, all of these things are signs of potential distress. Obviously, we don't know exactly because we're not inside the property, but these are signs of someone who isn't taking care of their home, which means they could be a good fit for somebody like us buying their house.
You know, you want to, with the voice recorder, you're driving around 123 Main Street, 127 Main Street, 123 Main Street, 111 Main Street. So you're just voice recording it. If you have maybe a partner, that person's writing it down while the other one is driving.
Yeah, guys, and if you're not comfortable doing it as you're driving, you have a partner, or you can even park the car, walk the block, see exactly what's going on in the area, and you could do it that way. Yep. So there's always options, but the main point is that you want to drive for dollars and see these properties firsthand.
So next, you got this big list, right? Once again, we're looking for the freeway. Let's say you're starting out, so you want to, you're limited in funds. We all started that way. After you have that list, now you want to get anyone that owes you favors, families, friends, and you want them to help you handwrite letters. So you are literally going to grab a notepad and you're going to write, "Dear owner of 123 Main Street, my name is Ronnie, and I'm looking to purchase properties in this area. I'm not sure if you're looking to sell, but if you ever thought about selling or looking to sell in the near future, I would love to speak to you about giving you potentially a cash off. You can reach me at blah, 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 whatever your phone number is." And another free tip, if you don't want these people calling your personal number, Google Voice is free. Get yourself a Google Voice number. So now you can recognize when it's someone calling from those letters that you sent.
Yeah, Ronnie, that's gold right there. So he just showed you a way where you can now, from Drive for Dollars, seeing these distressed properties, have a handwritten letter, which has a personal touch to it, right? A lot of people don't get handwritten letters, so you will have a lot higher of a response rate compared to having a computer print it out and then you send it out. Yeah, exactly.
Right? Like that's what most people do. So, the fact that you took your time out and wrote a letter, right? It's not a postcard. Like someone's going to have to look at this letter that someone hand wrote, open it up and see this letter. They're probably going to read it. And from my experience, when we do this, people appreciate it and they're more open to working with you. So definitely something.
And guys, even if it doesn't work out, them appreciating it and liking you could get a referral from that. And then that's another free way of getting something, in your pipeline.
And as an added bonus, right, just in case you are starting out, but maybe you do have some kind of money, but not a lot, and you want to take this to the next level, you can actually cold call these leads. So what you want to do is, right, you have those addresses, right? Once again, you handwrote those letters, but now you want to cold call them, right? Be the aggressor. What you can do is you can actually have these addresses skip traced. Put in those addresses, you're going to get a bunch of numbers, and now you can cold call these things.
Yeah, guys, and that's just a great way for you to be on the offensive, right? While you're waiting for all those leads to call you from the ones you handwritten. Now, if you have a little bit of money where you can pay for these lists to be pulled, you start calling some of these, and then who knows? You might find a seller that actually is interested in selling and is ready to go. It, of course, takes a lot more work because you're going to be manually calling these people, but it is just another way to get some leads in your pipeline.
Yeah, and everyone starts that way, and in the future when you do decide to scale, at least now you know what it takes, right? Because you already did it. So this is why I recommend everyone starting out to do it themselves, just to try it out. Not everyone's built for sales, right? Not everyone's built for transactions. Not everyone's built for project management, but it is good to experience it at first so you can kind of know what to expect when you do hire it out.
There it is, guys. So we hope that you guys really found a couple of these tips important because it's definitely worked for both of us.
Yeah.
So just to touch on them again, drive for dollars. That's something you want to do for finding off-market properties for free. Drive around, find them. Then step 2, you want to handwrite these letters and mail them out and send them out so you can start getting outreach for these properties. And then the third step, which is obviously above and beyond because you're going to have to start using a little bit of money to pull these lists, is cold calling. So those are 3 ways you can find off-market properties for free or for, a little bit of money. With that being said, going into cold calling, if you guys want to learn the process of cold calling and how to start out actually talking to sellers, you could check out one of our past videos on cold calling. The link should be like right here. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're always here to kind of help you guys out.
Yep. See you guys in the next video.
Boom.